everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying out some goodies from Makartt. So I have two transfer foil kits, and then I also have this set of white and black gel polish. So I'm just going to be applying these on two random fingers. So whenever you're applying transfer foils, you could apply it over your natural nail, over acrylic, over press-on nails, over polish, over the clear nail. It doesn't matter, but I wanted to try out this black and the white, and as you can see, that black is just beautiful. And I only did one coat of that black, and I'm gonna do one coat of this white as well because the coverage is just that good. So of course, after I apply the one coat, I'm gonna cure for 60 seconds. Here is what the white looks like, and then after this we're gonna go ahead and open up both of the little sets of transfer foil. So the first one is the small one. It comes with a glue and 3 transfer foils, and then this one comes with 2 big bottles of the foil glue, and then it comes with all of these transfer foils. So it comes with a lot more, and as you can see, the bottle of the foil glue is a bit bigger. Next, we're gonna go in and just apply the transfer foil glue on all of the nails. You know, you could always do like a full nail. On this finger, I'm gonna do like half a nail, and then on the rest, I'm gonna go ahead and just do a full nail, but you can do it however you like. After this, we're gonna cure them for 2 minutes under the UV LED light. Alrighty, so we're gonna cure for 2 minutes, and these are the instructions on the back of the box. So it definitely says to cure for 2 minutes. I usually do 60 seconds, but I did end up having to put them in there for another 60 seconds just to be safe. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just cut out the little foil that I'm gonna be using. You could always just use it straight off the little roll, but I just wanted to go ahead and cut it off. That way I don't have, you know, just missing little spots on the foil, which is what I usually do. So I'm just gonna pick 5 random ones. I'm gonna do a different one on each finger, and then there I wanted to show you the difference between the 3 little foils that came in the small package. They are a little bit wider than the other ones, but they're both about the same length. So I absolutely love the transfer foils that are clear underneath. They are super cute and a lot easier to apply. You don't have to worry about, you know, getting like that full coverage. But anyways, after you cut them out, you just place it on the nail and then just rub with your fingertip. Just rub. And then once you feel like all of the foil has transferred over to your nail, then you just pull back the foil, and that is it. So as you can see, it looks really good. I absolutely, like I said, I love the ones that are clear underneath. It's just so pretty. So this one is going to be the half nail. So same thing, just place it down, rub it with your fingertip, and then just pull the foil off. And this one, y'all, definitely has to be my favorite one. It reminds me of like burnt paper, not paper, but newspaper, or maybe like an antique like love letter or something. I don't know, but it's super cute. This one reminded me of the tattoo that, what is that movie, Moana? I forgot the guy's name, but it reminds me of that tattoo that he had on his arm. Super cute, and that is what this one looks like. As you can see, with that glue, we are able to get a nice and very full coverage without it being patchy or anything. So on this one, y'all, I do want to go ahead and let y'all know that on this one, the polish on the left side of the nail kind of wrinkled up, so you will be able to see those little wrinkles right there on the side, but that's because my finger, I guess, did not go all the way into the light. But anyways, lastly, we're gonna do this one, and y'all, this one was so freaking pretty as well. So this one is like a holographic cheetah print. So placed it down, smooth it out with my fingertip, and then just pull it right off. And y'all, that is so freaking pretty. So after that, we're gonna go ahead and just do 2 coats of your top coat. So that is what they look like before the top coat. And like I said, you always want to make sure you go in and do your 2 top coats and cure each top coat for 60 seconds. Alrighty, y'all, so here is the final look. As you can see, they turned out super pretty. I absolutely love the flower foils, and really all of them just look so good. And y'all, these foils can really come in handy when you don't have anything in mind to create. You can easily bring these babies out and create some beautiful nails. But be sure to go check out Makartt's website to take advantage of their 15% off. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at GetNail32, and I'll see you guys next time.